I've been investing $50 every week into the S&P 500 ETF VOO for the past 2 years, 10 months, and a week, achieving a 13.7% return rate so far. Now, if you ever wonder what it actually looks like to invest in a broad market index fund using dollar cost averaging, this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through the latest update on my portfolio, especially after the wild swing we've seen recently in the market. By the end of this video, you'll get a real sense of what it feels like to stick with this strategy, and you will be able to tell whether it's a good fit for your own investing journey. Alright, let's start with a quick look at what's been going on in the market. It's been 4 weeks since my last update, and wow, things are getting worse. The market's been on a steady downturn, but what really stood out was the volatility. I mean, serious volatility. Between April 3rd and 9th, the S&P 500 saw 5 days in a row where prices moved more than 3% in just a single day. That's not normal. For context, even a 1% move in a major index is usually considered a big deal. Then, on April 9th, the S&P 500 rebounded nearly 10% in just a day. That's a number we're only supposed to see in video games. You know, people like to compare the stock market to a roller coaster, but honestly, this past month, it feels more like a drop tower. Straight down, straight up, freaking everyone out. What caused it? The new tariff policy that's been shifting almost on a daily basis. It's left a lot of people confused, anxious, and reacting emotionally in the market. To be honest, I wouldn't be surprised if this level of chaos stick around for a while due to the uncertainty around the tariff policy. And that wild market volatility hit my portfolio too. Over the past months, I lost a big chunk of the profit I'd built up over the past 2 years. But my investing journey doesn't stop just because the market gets bumpy. Like always, I kept going, stuck with my plan, and continued putting $50 into VOO every single week. Here's a screenshot of my purchase history from those 4 weeks. As of last Friday, my portfolio's value is sitting at $8,416. With a profit of $1,016, that's a 13.7% return rate. Now let's zoom out a bit. This chart shows my entire investing journey over the past 148 weeks. Just a month ago, my profit was around $1,600. Today, it's down to $1,000. Am I panicking? Not even close. This is exactly the kind of moment where staying optimistic really matters. Instead of stressing over what I've lost, I remind myself, a lot of investors are in the red right now, and meanwhile, I'm still in the green, so why complain? Nearly 3 years of consistent investing has built me a cushion. It's helped me absorb drops like this, and more importantly, it's given me the confidence to keep going. If anything, times like this prove why this strategy works. Ignore the noise, focus on the long term, and let time work its magic. And if you're new to all this and thinking, can I actually do this? Of course you can. All it takes is $50 a week, a little consistency, and some patience. If I can do it, you can do it even better. Hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.